everybody, this is Carmen from Easy Language. Welcome back to the 6th video of my Introduction to Cantonese series. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to say the days of the week in Cantonese. It's very easy, so let's go. So how to form a day in Cantonese. So if you speak Mandarin or if you have learned Mandarin before, it is the same idea. You'll first need the day for week, and then you'll need to know the numbers between 1 to 6. So the number that corresponds with the day's position in the week. You might be thinking, why don't we need number 7? I'll let you know later. So, there are two ways you can say the word for week. First of all, you've got sing K. Let's try that again. Sing K. So that's one way. The other way is Lai Bai. Again. Lai Bai. So you can use these interchangeably. There's no really a difference between these two anyways. Okay? So whichever one suits you best. So example we have Sing K. Yat Monday. Lai Bai. Say Thursday. Okay? You can also interchange it. So you can say Lai Bai Yat for Monday or Sing K Say for Thursday. Now let's have a look at days of the week. So we've got Monday, Lai Bai Yat. Lai Bai Yat. Obviously you can say Sing K Yat. So for this video I'm just going to stick with using Lai Bai. Tuesday, Lai Bai Yi. Lai Bai Yi. Wednesday, Lai Bai Sam. Lai Bai Sam. Thursday, Lai Bai Say. Lai Bai Say. Friday, Lai Bai Lai Bai And then Saturday, Lai Bai Lai Bai Lục. So let's go through those quickly. We've got Lai Bai Yat, Lai Bai Yi, Lai Bai Sam, Lai Bai Say, Lai Bai Lai Bai Lục. So using the word Sing K now. Sing K Yat, Sing K Yi, Sing K Sam, Sing K Say, Sing K Sing K Lục. Okay, nice and easy, right? Right, so let's talk about Sunday. So Sunday is a special day. So rather than saying Lai Bai Chat or Sing K Chat, which we will never say, we say Lai Bai Yat, which is Sunday. So I'll explain this reason actually, because a week is known as a cycle. So every week they repeat, okay? So Chinese people have this idea that if we name Sunday as Lai Bai Chat or Sing K Chat, it kind of marks the end of the week. Right, so instead of continuing on to the next day. So in Chinese culture, Sunday is both the end and the start of the week. So in like a lunar calendar, for example, you might find Sunday being the first day of the week instead of being the last day of the week. So Sunday is a special day because it marks the start and the end of the week. Yeah, so that's why we say Lai Bai Yat or Sing K Yat for Sunday. So this is the same idea for Mandarin as well. I would say one thing you need to be careful, okay, is the tone for yat and yat. So yat is your high tone, yat is your low tone. Yat means 1, Lai Bai Yat means Monday, Lai Bai Yat. The word yat itself means a day or the sun. So you say Lai Bai Yat. So this is crucial in Cantonese because if you mispronounce it, you can accidentally say like Monday when you're trying to say Sunday, or if you're trying to say Monday, you might accidentally mean Sunday. So be careful of this one. Okay? So let's practice the tones a little bit now. You've got Lai Bai Yat. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video about the months of the year. Bye!